Workiz is often chosen by teams that want strong call tracking and dispatching in one place, while FieldPulse is usually picked by small service companies that want simpler scheduling and job management without extra setup. By the end, you'll know which one fits your business size, how they actually differ in daily use, and which type of contractor should avoid each platform. Workiz is built around high-volume service operations. That means it focuses heavily on incoming calls, booking jobs quickly, and tracking where each lead came from. It's commonly used by industries like locksmiths, garage door techs, and HVAC companies that rely on phone-driven leads. FieldPulse is built more around job organization. It focuses on scheduling, job tracking, estimates, and keeping field teams aligned without too many complex workflows. It's usually used by smaller teams that want a clean system without heavy customization. The first major difference is lead handling. Workiz prioritizes call tracking and converting incoming calls into booked jobs. That makes it useful if your business depends on fast response times and missed call recovery. FieldPulse doesn't push call tracking as hard, and instead keeps the focus on jobs already in your pipeline. The second difference is workflow complexity. Workiz includes more advanced automation options for routing jobs, tracking performance, and managing customer communication. That can feel powerful, but also heavier to set up. FieldPulse keeps workflows more straightforward, which makes onboarding faster for small teams that just want to schedule jobs and get moving. The third difference is team scale. Workiz is generally a better fit when you have multiple technicians, a dispatch process, and a steady flow of inbound leads. FieldPulse tends to fit smaller crews that don't need deep dispatch layers or advanced call tracking. If you're deciding between them, the simplest filter is this. If your business lives on phone calls and speed to lead matters every day, Workiz is usually the stronger fit. If your priority is simple scheduling, job tracking, and keeping things easy for a small team, FieldPulse is usually the safer choice. To summarize, Workiz is more lead and dispatch focused. FieldPulse is more simplicity focused. And the wrong choice usually comes from overestimating how complex your workflow actually is. Next step is to map your daily workflow on paper, then match it to whichever system feels lighter to maintain long term. If this helped, like and subscribe for more straight comparisons without the sales talk.